Good morning, guys. Looking at the NQ this morning, you can see I already started marking up my charts. I've got some stair stepping, 1, 2, 3. I went ahead and blocked off these two support areas as kind of the same level. It's very close to a double bottom. And I've identified some resistance levels up here. And you can see we already broke out. And basically all I'm doing is waiting to see if I get a pullback, a decent looking pullback, and a signal. So we'll go ahead and wait and see if we get a signal.
NQ trade alert.
Okay, so we're getting a heads up alert. We're going to go ahead and place an order.
Order submitted.
NQ trade alert.
Now, just an observation here. Look at the depth of the pullback. Even though we didn't get a signal here, look at the distance. Try and show you what I'm looking at. Look at the distance to the trend line. And the distance to this trend, this pullback here. See how they're very similar?
Order
NQ,
filled.
buy signal 2.
I'm just trying to make an observation as to yesterday's and Monday's trades, where we had some, I believe they were red signals, and I wasn't happy, I think, on Monday, but Tuesday it was a very similar distance of a pullback, and it's just an observation. It's not a science. I'm just trying to, let me just move this up here. Just trying to note the things that I'm looking at and the clues that might be presented to you when you're taking your trades. Okay.
Target filled.
Nice. Boy, the market's really moving today.
Target filled.
Nice. Nice. All right, let's go ahead and mark this up. Wow, that was quick, huh? Actually, you know what? That wasn't 26. I moved that target. It was actually 32, wasn't it? Nice. Maybe we can get a full boat today.
Stop filled.
Okay, nice little trade. Nice little trade. 22. All right. So 32 plus 52 plus 22 is equal to 106. It's the day of twos, I guess. Times $5. It's $530. Nice little trade. Nice little trade. Okay, let's go ahead and review. I had my charts marked up. We had stair stepping. I identified these two support areas as one area, almost a double bottom. We had some resistance. Same setup that I have almost every day, right? And we went ahead, we broke out, marked the breakout, and what we did, we waited for a signal. Okay, we got a blue signal, and just a little observation about the distance of the pullbacks is similar with reference to yesterday and the day before on the NQ. And yeah, this is a really nice trade. So if you guys have any questions, send me an email. I'm always happy to help. And stick with it.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to leave us a comment down below. And while you're at it, follow us on Instagram at Renko.Kings.